YouTube tells us that 65.3% of the people who watch our content are not subscribed. So please subscribe.
Hi everyone, welcome to Healing Souls. Dear friends, today I have been guided by the Divine to do a reading for all of my friends on Healing Souls with regard to a clear time frame. So the Divine feels that my friends are very disturbed and they are feeling that we are taking healings, we are seeing the guidance, we are following everything. But when is it that our manifestations are going to take place? When is it then that our desires are going to be fulfilled by the universe? So the Divine gave me guidance today that you do a reading for all of the friends on our Healing Souls channel and give them the option of these 4 bracelets, and whichever bracelet they are going to select, based on that particular bracelet I am going to pull instantly. I am going to do this reading. I am going to pull some cards wherein they are going to give me intuitive messages. These messages can be given to me in sensations, they can speak to me, they can, anyhow it is going to be very intuitive right in front of you. Whatever they tell me to say, that particular time frame I am going to give to you. And that will be your answer from the universe for now, what time frame they want to give to you for your manifestations. For this reading, dear friends, you can ask more than one question also, as if you want to manifest suppose anybody wants to manifest marriage, they can make one choice for their question regarding their marriage and commitment. If they want to manifest a new home, they can choose another option. I feel that more than 2 options can be confusing. However, if you have 4 specific manifestations, then you can choose all 4 of them with a clear question. But before you make your choice, take deep breaths, center yourself, close your eyes, ask your Divine to guide you as to which crystal you should be, which bracelet you should be picking. And once you decide on any one of the bracelets, that can be by having a glance at the bracelet, or that can be looking into the timestamps that are given in the comment box below, stick to that option only. That will be a good way of following this. So for option 1, we have this beautiful black bracelet. I'm not going into the details of the crystals and which chakra it is operating for. That becomes too tedious. I want to make a short reading for you. This is a second bracelet, green and purple pinkish color. See if it attracts you. This is the third bracelet, dear friends. This is pinkish in color, light pinkish, almost skin color. And this is a 4th bracelet with a mix of all chakra colors and a few healing beads. So you may select your options carefully, dear friends. Whichever you want to select, take your time, ask the Divine, and clearly state your questions before you choose. Your question should be clear, that for this option, this is my question. For this option, this is my question. So your questions can be like, when my marriage will manifest, or when my partner will say a yes to me, when will I have my own home, when will I move to another country, city or state, when will childbirth happen, when will I manifest good health, when will, so many concerns that you people come to me in personal questions and you want to know a time frame. So when will my life purpose evolve, when will I get money and career success, so many. So just define your question clearly, then make your choice, and then you look for your answers. Okay, So now I am keeping this bracelet number 2 aside. Bracelet number 3 also I am going to keep it aside, and bracelet number 4 also we will keep aside. And this is bracelet number 1, and all of my friends who have chosen bracelet number 1, now we are going to see a reading for them as to when their desires are going to manifest, or when their dream is going to manifest. So what is the guidance of the angels for my dear friends? Oh my god, there are so many cards. Oh my god, there are so many cards. So so many cards can be confusing. So we are going to take a few from here. So this one wanted to come out, and maybe one more. Okay. So here I feel that my friends are some of my friends are looking for absolutely good health. Some of my friends are wishing for yes in their love life. Some of my friends are wishing for happy times, success, name, fame, recognition. And let's see what the angels have to say, what the time frame angels want to give our friends. So it can be in any area of their life that this guidance they are seeking for. And the time frame that I see over here for you is, see, first thing that I want to tell you is that you need to protect yourself, you need to shield yourself from any person, place, or a situation that is toxic for you. I feel that the persons who are reading this, who have chosen this, are either Libra, Gemini, Capricorn, Piscean, Cancers, or Leo sign people. You can be healers by nature. It is very important for you to shield your energy, to protect yourself from negative people, places, and situations. The more you will cut yourself away from the people who make you feel that your desire will not come true, the more you will be able to manifest your desire. Your desire is going to be fulfilled after 1 year in the month of April. So after 1 year from today, in the month of April, it is going to be fulfilled for you. Okay, and now there are more guidance messages that they want to give. They say danger, especially in money matters. So if you are thinking of making an investment right now, wait for a time frame of 1 year. After 1 year in 2022 April, it will be a good time for you to make these investments. Then they say someone will try to make you do something against your will. So if it is that somebody is trying to make you do something against your will right now, again the guidance message comes to you from the divine that you should be waiting for 1 year, and in this 1 year you need to take your healings, you need to shield yourself, protect yourself, ground yourself, and be ready for this transformation, for this change that you are seeking in for yourself. So dear friends, this was a small reading because it had to be just clarity on the time frame. For the time frame of my friends who chose this beautiful black bracelet is for 1 year from today. In the month of April, your manifestations can take place. Lots of love and best wishes to my friends. And now we are going to move on to our second selection, the second bracelet for all of our friends who chose bracelet number 2. So all of my friends who chose this beautiful green purple bracelet, let us see how long your manifestations are going to take. So what do the angels suggest? What is the time frame for my friends who have chosen bracelet number 2? Again, so many cards. So we are not going to take so many cards. We are going to take a few cards. But I feel that somebody who is seeking this reading is wishing for some kind of a movement. This person is really frustrated and looking for some kind of a movement, some kind of travel, coming out of a stuck energy, some kind of balance they are wishing for themselves. Okay, so let me see what time frame. So I feel that my friends who have chosen this particular pile number 2 are really frustrated by now. They feel that we have been struggling so much. It can be with regard to their health, it can be with regard to a relationship scenario, it can be with regard to their work, that they have been going through so much of competition and so much of challenges, but they are not giving up. And the universe says that universal energies are working behind to manifest your desires. And in your case, dear friends, I feel that this is going to happen very fast for you. I can say that it is going to be so fast for you that it can happen even in the month of July. It can happen in the month of July, August for you. So in the month of July, August, maximum time frame I can give to you is yes, they give me the card of August. Wow, I'm loving it. So the maximum time frame I feel is August 10th for you. 2021 August 10th is the maximum time frame I feel for you. Your manifestations are going to take place very fast. I see you gaining balance. You have a lot of inner strength to manifest whatever you want to manifest for yourself. I see the zodiac sign of Cancer, Leo, Sagittarius, Libra over here very evidently. Fire signs are very evident over here. And then happiness is manifesting in your life. Yes, dear friends, whatever you asked for is going to manifest very soon for you. But they say disappointment in some affair. You need to cut your cords from the past, from the person who caused you disappointment. Come out of the negative mind frame, your mentality wherein you feel that this will not manifest for you. You have to cut your cords from those toxic people, they are telling me, and the situations which disappointed you in past. And then you will be able to move forward in whatever you want to manifest in your life. Happy times, health, love, money, success, movement, everything is yours, just as you will heal your third eye chakra and you will be clear in your thoughts. So think positively, and just as you will think positively, this energy will change for you. So this was a very quick reading for you, and your manifestations are coming very fast. I feel it is going to start to happen in the month of July, and moving on to August, it is going to come true by 10th of August 2021. I wish you a lot of happiness, and cut your cords. The scissors has been given to you from divine to cut your cords from people and situations which are causing you frustrations, and work on your energy. Keep taking your healings. Lots of love and best wishes to all my friends who chose this beautiful crystal bracelet. So now I am going to move on to the third choice of this beautiful crystal. If you have chosen this beautiful crystal, which is pink mauvish in color, let us ask divine, when is the manifestations going to take place for my friends who have chosen this number 3, this bracelet, beautiful pink color bracelet. Let us see what messages God, universe, divine, your ancestors, your holy spirits want to give to you as to when is this going to manifest for you, your greatest desire. When is it going to manifest for you? Let me see. So again, the angels are telling me that you do not need to be frustrated regarding this, as the angelic energies are working behind the scenes for the manifestations of your desire. And what you are seeking for, it can be love for some people, it can be property manifestations for some people, lot of money, raise, divine gifts, travel for some people, stability and balance in their health for some people, expansion for some people, a partnership, marriages for some people. So whatever area of your life that you're seeking, but I feel that this pile of mine is really exploring on something that is going to make them feel more stable and secured in their life. So it can be some kind of love marriage, you are seeking partners, you are looking your options, might be moving to another country also, you want to seek your options, might be you are wishing for some kind of heredity money also, and that is on your mind. So let us see from the divine, when is it going to manifest for you. So what I feel that this manifestation is going to happen for my friends exactly after 1 year and 2 weeks. So I feel that, if we take exactly 1 year and 2 weeks from the day we are sitting on today, I can say that, we are on the first week of June. So your manifestations can take around 15th of June 2022. 15th of June 2022, your manifestations will start to take place, and this you will start to see more stability coming in this relationship, or whatever you are seeking for, from say 2, 4, 6 months. This kind of energy is there that is going to happen. So in the month of October, I feel that in this year, in 2021, something will happen in the month of October that will finally help your manifestation to occur in 1 year, that is in the month of June 2022. In the mid or after mid of June 2022, it will happen for you. And there is an old man involved. I feel that this old man is going to be somebody, a middle person, who is going to help you in the manifestation of your desires. So they say dealing or relationship with an older man. So dealing or relationship with an older man is going to become significant for you, which is going to help you in the manifestation of your desires. It is possible that in October something happens which will help you in further manifestation. And they say period of prosperity and abundance. Period of prosperity and abundance will start towards you from October, and thereafter 6 months from October, you can see this prosperity and abundance thoroughly manifesting for you. If you are looking for a new home, if you are looking for a move, if you are looking for love marriage settlements, if you are looking for good health stability, if you are looking for becoming a healer, a teacher, or any position you want for yourself, that all is going to manifest not far from today, dear friends. A year would have passed like that also, and a year has the guidance for you has been given to you today only. And I see a lot of prosperity and stability in this pile. I must say that you are balancing whatever healings you are taking. You keep continuing to take those healings, because a lot of stability, security and balance is going to come towards you from 1 year from today. That is not too far. Your manifestations will occur, dear friends. Now we are going to move to our fourth choice of bracelet, and we are going to see as to when the manifestations are going to occur for our friends who chose this beautiful bracelet with all chakra beads and a Buddha over here. So let's see what is the guidance for all of my friends who chose bracelet number 4 When are the manifestations going to take place for all of my friends who chose this beautiful bracelet? What time frame are your desires going to manifest? So let us see. So for my friends who are over here for the manifestations of their desires, I feel that they have, most of my friends have love on their mind, a soulmate connection on their mind, and some of my friends are being guided to move away from a toxic connection, a person who is not serving them well, and you need to really work on your the blockages in your body. You need to heal your blockages in your body, and just as you will heal your blockages in your body, this new manifestation is going to take place for you. And for you, dear friends, trust me, it is not going to take any long. I feel that it is going to happen for you so fast that it will be surprising for you, and you will tell me that you said this and it happened for me. And this is going to happen for you in a time frame of say 6 to 10 days only. It is going to some kind of a manifestation you are going to see for yourself, or maximum I can say one month time frame I can say for you that your manifestations will occur. You are cleansing a lot of negativities from your body, but what is needed of you right now is to surrender completely to divine, give your obsessions to divine, give your greed to divine, and cleanse all your chakras. A lot of healing is happening around you, and I feel that this can be with regard to definitely for many of my friends, I feel it is with regard to a soulmate relationship or something you want to manifest that gives you soul desire. Might be you want to know about your soul life purpose, or might be you want to manifest a love relationship about which you're really obsessed, really desirous about being with a person. For some of my friends, they are obsessed about moving to another country, city, state. They want to manifest move, and they are really obsessed about it. For some of my friends, they want healing in their body. They feel that an evil spirit kind of an energy is stuck with them, or might be in their real life they are being suffocated by people around them, and they want to get away from this situation. So a relief from this situation is going to come towards you in the month of July, dear friends. Yes, I was feeling not very far away, dear friends. 2021 July. Yes, I was feeling that this is happening very fast for my friends, and even for some of my friends who wanted to manifest childbirth. This seed is going to be sown in the month of July 2021. New job, career. Yes, if you wanted to pursue a new job and career, it is coming for you. I feel that there is a middle person, and this middle person can be a Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, or Capricorn, Taurus, or a Piscean, Cancer person who can help you in the manifestation of this new job. So within the period of 6 to 10 days, you can have a communication with a person if you know to help you manifest this new job or a career, dear friends. Then they say persevere and you will overcome problems. So if you are going through some challenging times in your relationships, if there is a third party situation and you want to get rid of them, that is also going to happen for you in the month of July. If you feel suffocated with your family members, that's what they are telling me, or people around you who are very dominating, who are not helping you pursue your good relationships or your life purpose, or who are suffocating you in your health, they are saying persevere and you will overcome the problem. So I feel that this pile of mine is taking healings, and just as you're taking healings, you are balancing your chakras and you're very close to your manifestations, dear friends. And they say keep your life in balance. Beautiful, dear friends. Again, I feel that your balance is coming into your life because you are taking healings, but here there is a very important message that I want to give you. You will be able to manifest your greatest desires if you surrender your addictions, dear friends. If you are addicted to food, excessive food, sugar, alcohol, tea, caffeine, or smoking, if you are addicted to sex over physical indulgence, third party situations, if you are addicted to any kind, your addictions, dear friends. If you are addicted to a toxic behavior type, you are a very egoistic person, you have a lot of anger, or any other addiction you must be knowing. Might be you're addicted to gaming, might be you're addicted to anything and everything in excess is addiction, dear friends. Anything that is done in moderation is normal, but anything that you do in excess and you cannot, that thing has started overpowering you, and you feel some kind of a codependency. The moment you will leave that addiction, your manifestation is going to happen. Boom. So it is going to happen for you in the month of July, and this was a small reading, and I wish you all the best. And I just loved it, because for none of my friends it was more than a year, so I just loved this reading. So I wish you all the best, all my friends, lots of love and best wishes.